Hi, my name's Bruce Lyons. I'm a senior immunologist, a lecturer in the School of Medicine at TAS. The devil facial tumour group is headed by Professor Greg Woods, and altogether we comprise 10 people, ranging from senior postdoctoral fellows through to honours degree students. The Tasmanian devil is only found in Tasmania in the wild, and as we're an island state, that population is very vulnerable. So unlike other tumours which arise in animals, the devil facial tumour developed in one female animal. So since 1996, over 80% of the animals have succumbed to the disease. Here was an animal that was part of my childhood, I suppose, growing up in the north, and now having that potential to protect it for all time is really important to me. Normally when foreign tissue is taken from one individual and transferred to another, like in a kidney transplant, then it's rejected by the host. For some reason that doesn't occur with the devil facial tumour cells, and they appear to be invisible to the immune system of the host animal. For humans and other species, we do have antibodies that recognise lots of different types of cells. We just don't have those tools for the devil, but that's one of our aims, is to generate those tools so we can actually finally examine the immune cells of the devil. When we treat cancer normally, there can be radiation or chemotherapy, but that's not practical for an animal like the devil that lives in the wild. So what we're trying to do is essentially make the devil able to reject the tumour. So we think that immunisation is probably going to be the most effective way of protecting animals, especially those that we bring from the insurance population back into the wild. So with the immunisation work, we're taking devil facial tumour cells that we've cultured in the laboratory, and fortunately for us, we're able to grow those cells so that we can actually use them to make vaccine candidates from. So we grow up the cells, we harvest them, and then we treat them in particular ways to try and make them more visible to the animal's immune system. Then what we do is monitor the animals for evidence of an immune response against the devil facial tumour cells. So in the laboratory, the devil immune cells can kill the facial tumour cells. However, in the wild, for some reason, that doesn't occur. So what we're trying to do now is to work out ways that we can activate the devil's immune system to kill those tumour cells in the infected animals. Funding has been used for a combination of hiring staff, so we have some extremely talented postdoctoral researchers, and of course the equipment that we need and the reagents that we need, and most importantly the facilities for holding the devils in captivity, which need to be of extremely high standard. Well, the University of Tasmania has provided these excellent facilities for all researchers in the university in the biomedical sciences to do excellent world-class research. I've worked in laboratories in Europe and in the rest of Australia, and I can say categorically that it's up there with the best.